You like to eat, I like to cook. Jimmy Vegan is the name, food and travel is my game. Today's recipe comes from my very own cookbook, Plant-Based Plates. You can pick it up in the link below. Let's be honest, lasagna is a labor of love. It takes forever to make. However though, it is the most comforting, amazing, it's like a hug from the inside. When you eat lasagna, you know that it was made with love. And this particular lasagna right here, this particular recipe is meaty, it's cheesy. I had to throw in some spinach for some vegetables. But let me tell you, you're not missing anything with this lasagna. You are going to take every single bite and it is going to be meaty and it is going to be cheesy. What else do you want from your lasagna? That's it. Lasagna, meaty, cheesy, period. End of story. Go make this tonight. Your family will love it. You will eat it all week. I don't know what else to say. Layer it, layer it, layer upon layer of meaty, cheesy goodness. Recipe in my cookbook. Pick it up today. Make lasagna tonight and your family will be very happy. Your friends will be very happy. Your stomach will be even happier. And oh yeah, I did use gluten-free noodles. So can you believe it? This lasagna is vegan and it's gluten-free. Did you hear what I said? It's vegan and gluten-free. Look at this. Don't tell me that this is not the most amazing gluten-free vegan lasagna you have ever seen in your life. Today's recipe comes from my very own cookbook, Plant-Based Plates. You can pick it up in the link below.